Hi, I'm Julie. Welcome to Read Life, where we share our experiences at home with autism, traveling, and living a gluten-free life. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about Factor Foods. If you're not familiar with Factor Foods, they are a prepared food delivery service. It's a site where you can go and select your meals, and they deliver freshly prepared meals directly to your door. They do have several subscription options. Different types of meal plans: keto, paleo, low carb, vegetarian. We typically will order once or twice a month. We get the 6-meal subscription, and Reggie and I like to eat them for quick and easy lunches. So a few things about Factor Foods. We like them because, one, the food tastes really good. It's quick and easy. It's easy to select your meals. It's easy to skip a week if you need to skip a week. And most importantly to me is that all of their meals are gluten-free. So Bella and I both eat 100% gluten-free. And if you're like us and you have to eat gluten-free, you probably know it is not easy to find quality, gluten-free prepared foods that actually taste good and are made with quality ingredients. So that's something that makes Factor Foods really appealing to us. So like I said, we order probably once or twice a month, and Reggie and I tend to eat them for lunches. So our January order just came in, so we're gonna go ahead and open that up and show you what we got this week. Okay, so let's open our box and see what we have inside.
Always nicely insulated.
That's Reggie. He's letting you know that they always put plenty of ice. So even in the hot Florida weather, the food always comes. It is fresh and cold. So this week we ordered some Keto Truffles Butter Pecan. Pretty sure I didn't order that, so that must be something special that they added in for us. So that's nice. I think those are a dessert. They have cacao butter, cream cheese, shredded coconut, brown butter, and pecan pieces. So that sounds good. Then we have steak au poivre. Sure I'm saying that incorrectly, but this is one that we've had before that we both enjoy. Shrimp and vegetable curry. That one's for Reggie because I don't do shrimp. Roasted chicken wings. So this is something a little different. This isn't an actual meal. It is just the chicken wings in here, and it's just plain roasted chicken wings. So I got these to see if we might be able to make a meal out of them, something that Bella might like. Queso fundido. This is one of my favorites.
One of my favorites.
Keto mushroom burger. Reggie says this is one of his favorites. A barbecue pulled chicken. And another queso fundido. So all of these meals are either in their low carb or keto selections. They are all very large, very filling. We're going to go ahead and try them out, and a little later we'll let you know what we think. We are back after trying our Factor meals this week, and we wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of what we thought of what we had. So we're just going to go down the list and let you know our thoughts. So the first meal on the list is the steak au poivre. So I had that meal. I enjoyed it. It was okay. It wasn't my favorite. The steak was cooked well. It wasn't dry. It was very tender. The sauce was a little bit spicier than I like, and I actually like a bit of spice, but it was quite peppery. So if you like that peppercorn sauce, you definitely enjoy this one. And next on the list is the queso fundido. So Reggie and I both had the queso fundido. So Reggie, what did you think?
I thought it was really good. I basically just mixed everything up together, and I don't even know what you call that when you just make it into a big like mash together, but it was
mixed together.
Okay, mixed together. It was pretty tasty. Wasn't very spicy. I don't like super spicy food, and I definitely would order that again.
So to me, queso fundido is one of my favorite Factor meals. To me, it tastes like everything that you would want in a plate of nachos without the chips and carbs. So it's a little bit spicy. It's got plenty of meat. The queso has a little kick to it, nice and cheesy, and a little bit of sour cream to cool it off a little bit, and it's just like a fantastic plate of nachos. So I really like queso fundido.
So wait a minute, it came with sour cream? Or did you add sour cream yourself?
It came with sour cream.
Already mixed in?
No, on the side.
I didn't have sour cream. Maybe it's even better with sour cream.
Maybe I added my own sour cream.
I think you added your own sour cream. It totally wasn't
Next,
in the package.
next time, add the sour cream. It's delicious with sour cream. I recommend.
Okay.
So next was the barbecue pulled chicken. That was another one that I had. It was pretty basic. I mean, if you like barbecue, it was just a basic barbecued pulled chicken. And that one I believe came with the loaded cauliflower mash, which was fantastic. If you like bacon and cheese and loaded potato flavors, the loaded cauliflower mash is delicious. It's creamy, it's got all the flavors, and the flavors all blend really well. So it was just kind of a basic barbecue lunch.
So who doesn't like bacon and cheese?
Not everybody likes bacon and cheese. I'm not typically a bacon fan. So sorry folks, not into the bacon, but
She never told me that before we got married.
it's fine. So next is Reggie's Keto Mushroom Burger.
So the keto mushroom burger, this is the second or third time that I've had it. It's really, really good. The burger is a very good size. I would guess it's at least a half-pound burger. It's pretty big. The sauce, I think it's a cauliflower cheese blend mix with the mushroom sauce. I mix it up like I did with the queso fundido, and it's really good. Take a slice of burger, put some of the cauliflower mash on there with some of the mushroom sauce. It's fantastic.
I have not tried the keto mushroom burger yet. I'm not a huge fan of mushrooms, but I definitely think I'm going to try it because Reggie really likes it. So I think it's definitely worth giving a try. So that may be on one of my upcoming orders. So next on the list is shrimp and vegetable curry, and that was another one of Reggie's meals.
So that was the first time that I've had the shrimp and vegetable curry. Also very, very good. Cauliflower blend, 6 really nice sized shrimp. Really good flavor. Again, not spicy, but definitely flavorful, which is kind of the sweet spot where I like things. I certainly would get that again as well.
That will never be on my list because I do not do shrimp.
She does not do shrimp.
So the other thing we tried, we got the add-on chicken wings, which was something new that we hadn't tried before. It was basically just a big platter of chicken wings, and it had sort of a smoky, dry rub for the spice on it. I liked them okay. I thought they were all right. I'm from Buffalo, so I'm wing picky. So, I mean, to me, it was just chicken in wing shape. So it was fine for that. Bella was not a huge fan. She claimed she liked it, but she only ate the inside. So I think she didn't really like the spice blend that was on the outside, but we gave it a try. Probably not something we would buy again for her. What did you think, Reggie?
So they were okay for me. I wouldn't be enthusiastic about ordering it again. I understand what Bella was probably going through with her aversion to the spice blend. It was a little strange to me. Not gonna lie. It was okay. It was food.
So the final item that came in our box, and we need to talk about this one because this was a very nice gift from Factor.
And it doesn't make any sense.
The butter pecan keto truffles. These things are delicious. I want to order them all the time, except they are also expensive. So 12 keto truffles was $25. Now, each truffle is a serving, so technically it's 12 servings. It's actually kind of comparable to, say, a Quest bar in both macros and price. So if you are into Quest bars, it may not seem pricey to you. I don't typically buy those types of bars, but I may have a new butter pecan truffle addiction. So they are delicious. Absolutely recommend. They're filling. They're like a sweet treat. I really, really enjoy those. And bonus, when I went to update our order today, we actually had a coupon code for $25 off. So guess what went back into my cart? Another order of the butter pecan truffles. So thank you again, Factor. That was great to see. So that's everything we had this week. As you can tell, we've already placed another order, so we definitely enjoy Factor foods and tend to keep eating them going forward. And Reggie, what are your final thoughts?
So those, what do they call them? What was the special add-on? Oh, the butter pecan keto truffles. So I looked at these things and I can visually be completely turned off to different foods. And the first thing that I noticed was they're covered in coconut. And I hate coconut that is not directly from an actual coconut in general. But these things, it's just like everything else with Factor. They have some super duper crazy chefs that understand how to blend different flavors together, and they magically made the coconut just go away for me. They were amazing. So I'm looking forward to the free truffles coming in for our next order.
Definitely looking forward to those. So let us know in the comments, have you tried Factor Foods? And if so, what's your favorite meal or something that we should try? Or if you haven't tried it and you're thinking of it, what meal do you think will be your favorite when you give it a shot? We will go ahead and put a link in the box below where you can get a $40 discount off your first order. So thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. We definitely appreciate all the support, and come back again next month when we review another Factor Foods order. Thanks for watching.